Hello, good evening, my dear teacher. My name is Daniela Narváez. I study at Universidad Técnica Particular de Loja, and today we are going to talk about the topic grammatical functions. Well, okay, I will explain this topic, tips to teach objects. Well, the first is about direct object. In a sentence, the direct object is the noun or noun phrase that's receiving the action of the verb. The basic construction works like this: subject, verb, who or what. Well, it is important to understand the question and recognize the answer in the sentence. We have some examples like, first, Sasha paints landscapes. The direct object is landscapes in this case. Who paints landscapes? Sasha paints landscapes. The second example is, my dog is sleeping. Who is sleeping? The answer is my dog. My mother cooks. Who cooks? My mother. My mother cooks. Well, now we are going to talk about indirect object. The indirect object of a verb receives the direct object. In effect, the action moves from the subject through the verb to the direct object and then the indirect object. Well, the indirect object comes between the verb and the direct objects. I have some examples. Well, the first example is, the student gave the test very well. In this case, the indirect object about the direct object is the test. The second example is, Daniela bought Jocelyn a present. In this example, the indirect object is Jocelyn. The last one example is, Alejandro cooked Monica the food. In this case, the indirect object is Monica. Well, we have the last one object. This is oblique object. The oblique object is a grammatical relation proposed for a noun phrase clause consistent with the following characteristics. Its nature and behavior are more readily describable in semantic terms than syntactic. It is likely to be the most constrained in the semantic roles it may individually express. It is likely to be marked by an adposition or case affix. It is not likely to be a target of syntactic rules such as agreement with the verb or strategies of rehabilitation. We have two examples. The first example is, he was bitten by a snake. And the last one example is, Kevin bought flowers for me. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.